You wanna know what turns me on? You wanna know? I got this for you wanna know? This. Look, let me show y'all this. Woo! Fresh, crisp paper. Fresh, crisp paper. Hi guys, hello. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello, thank you, subscribe. Welcome to and be a part of the bestie gang. I don't want to call it a gang, but whatever. Y'all my best friends. Come be my best friend. Come be my best friend. And if you're already subscribed, thank you. Anyway, today we are going to be talking about how to make the dean's list. And honest, because that's what your girl did. Check out the video that I'm gonna put somewhere on here. Check it out. Check it out. That email and that letter because my hard work was paying off, and trust me, I was struggling throughout the whole semesters that I've done school. So it was happy to know that I made the dean's list, and also National Honor Society and Leadership, something I don't know the name, but it's good. So today we're gonna be talking about the tips or the things that I did to make these lists. Hopefully you can use it and apply it to whatever you're doing at school to make the dean's list, because you want to strive to be the best. You do that. So I made a little list. And the first thing is stay organized. Without organization, you have nothing but chaos, and then you'll fail. So stay organized. And when I say organized, this is how I say organized, my planner. What I would do is write everything that's due or whatnot in my planner. And if you want a detailed thing on how I organize with school in my planner, let me know down in the comments. But basically, I stay organized in my planner. I'm going clear without this. Okay, it's important. All right. So read and understand. That's number 2. Read and understand the syllabus. For me, I like to print out my syllabus. I love crisp. You know, I still say school. Crisp paper. It just does something to me, crisp paper. But I print out my syllabus and I highlight it, and everything that's due, I would put it in my planner according to my pens. I use color-coded pens, each for different classes, and I write what is due and when it's due in my planner according to color. And when you read it and you don't understand anything, please contact your professor ahead of time, because you want to make sure you know everything, what's going on, and don't have any questions or confused when class gets started, because you just want to go towards that. Like one time I made a B in my class and I was so mad. I did cry a little bit. I ain't gonna front. I cried because I made a B. And I was pretty upset. I really want to take the class over to make an A, but I was going through a lot of A's, but whatever. Okay, let me make sure. It's just, yeah. Okay, number 3 would be get ahead. Number 3. Don't worry about my nails and how they're crooked. I cut it off because one of them broke, so you gotta make sure. Yeah, but anyway, 3, get ahead. Because we all know we're gonna have those days where we don't want to do our work, or we're busy working, our kids need this, husbands need this, da 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 da. So you want to go ahead and get ahead. Do those, like, when you read the syllabus, if your teacher says, oh, we're going to go over this chapter, such and such date, go ahead and read those chapters. Go ahead and do the discussion, like introduce yourself, like those things ahead of time, because I'm pretty sure you can do those ahead of time. Just try to do work ahead of the due date, because you don't want to be a big procrastinator, which I have been before. It's just not gonna work. Get ahead. Be smart, get ahead. Make sure that's everything it is. And just to go back over, number 2, highlight things that's important on your syllabus. I mean, of course, write down the due dates, like I said, in your whatever you're gonna use. I use the planner, but highlight the things that are important, because you don't want to miss anything and be like, oh, because you might get some professors who are nice and be like, oh, you can do this past the due date, or and then you get those professors who are like, you had time, you got the syllabus, read it. Story time for another time, but anyway, be organized. The 4th thing I would say is plan and make time. Plan when you're going to study. Plan when you're going to sit down and read. Just plan it in your planner. I'm telling you, planners are life. One day I'm gonna give a giveaway for planners, okay? Because I love planners. Shout out to the person, I can't remember her name, who put me on planners. But plan to make that A. You have to plan. Make time. You have to make time for your classes. That goes into number 5, studying. Plan when you're going to study. When you want your study area to be calm, quiet, free of distractions. Because if you're distracted, you're going to spend more time doing this, or being on social media, or whatever you do, watching that movie, and it's just going to make more time doing your homework, when you could just finish your homework, finish what you was going to do, that you plan to do, and then have time and enjoy being on social media and watching that movie, instead of thinking like, hey, I gotta finish this. Oh, why did I wait so long? And take notes that you can understand. Because you don't want to be like, oh, what? How did I spell this? Or da 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 da. Make notes that you can understand. Make sure you have everything you need, because you don't want to have to finish you don't want to have to do something you don't have what you need. So make sure you have it. You can have your books, the right assignment. Make sure you have what you need. Yeah. Like I got a lot of supplies. Highlighters. Dollar store is where it's at, okay? Dollar store. And when Walmart is having their back to school sale, it's a really good time too. But Dollar store, don't not the dollar store. I get a lot of my supplies. So that concludes our video. So that includes our video on how to make the beescake. In the comments below, let me know what tips you have done or what you're doing to be successful in college or whatever school you're going to. And that's it. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to be my best friend. Okay? And if you're already subscribed, thank you, and I will see you at the next video. Bye.